Today topic is winds. The horizontal movement of air along the surface of the earth is called the wind. So earth oda surface la lower la அடிக்கக்கூடிய காற்றை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் wind அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Wind இதே from vertical movement of air is called an air current. Vertical movement means from equatorial region to tropical region to polar region. இந்த மாதிரி regions altitude inல அடிக்கக்கூடியது, அதாவது from lower to higher அப்படின்றத என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் air current அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் altitude. So the horizontal movement of air along the surface of the earth is called the wind, while the vertical movement of air is called an air current. The wind always blow from high pressure area to low pressure area. So wind movements always from high pressure area to low pressure area. Wind is mostly named after the direction which it blows. So on the basis of the direction we give the name to the wind. For example, the wind blowing from the east is known as easterly wind. West is known as westerly wind. Like that we give the name to the wind. Anemometer is a device which used to record the wind speed. So anemometer is a device which is used to record the wind speed, while a wind van measures the direction of the wind. The winds blows in north direction or east direction or west direction or northeast direction are easy to measure with the help of the wind vanning. The speed will be measured by the anemometer. The unit of measurement of wind is kilometer per hour or knots. Next one, types of winds. Winds are generally classified into following four major types. One is a planetary wind, periodic wind, variable wind, local wind. So totally four types of winds are classified. One is planetary, periodic, variable and local wind. One by one we can go through. So planetary wind. Planetary wind is constantly blow wind. It's a permanent wind. Another name of planetary wind is called permanent wind or prevailing. Prevailing means most frequent, like that. So these winds have three names: planetary wind, permanent wind, or most frequent or prevailing winds, like that we said. So the wind which constantly blow in the same direction. The wind blow in the same direction constantly throughout the year are called the planetary wind. So what is the difference between the planetary wind and the periodic wind means? Planetary winds constantly blow in the same direction. Periodic wind, it's change their direction periodically. So a planetary wind and periodic wind changes is the wind blows in the same direction throughout the year, that is called planetary wind. The wind change their direction during the periodically, that one is periodic wind. So okay, so planetary wind, they are also called as permanent wind or prevailing wind or trade wind also. So what are the types of planetary wind? There are three types of planetary wind. That is a permanent flow of wind in our earth. That is trade wind, westerly wind and polar easterly wind. First, trade wind. So with the help of this wind, in ancient days we use a trade by the ship. So trade wind blow from subtropical high pressure belt to the equatorial low pressure belt in both the hemisphere, that is north and south hemisphere. So the trade wind blow from subtropical high pressure to equatorial low pressure. So they blow with great regularity, force and is constant direction throughout the year, from high pressure of the subtropical to the low pressure of the equatorial in a constant direction. So these winds are very helpful to traders who depend upon the wind while sailing in the seas. And so they are named as trade wind. We call this a trade wind, that's why. Next one is a westerly wind. So westerlies are the permanent wind also, that blow from tropical high pressure belt to the subpolar low pressure belt. So these westerly wind blow from tropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt in both the hemisphere, that is north and south hemisphere. They blow from southwest to northeast in northern hemisphere. So the direction of the wind in northern hemisphere is southwest to northeast and northwest to southeast in the southern hemisphere. So the velocity of the wind, that is the speed of the wind, westerly wind, become so vigorous and fast to be called as in the altitude of 40 degree, roaring 40s. In 50 altitude, furious 50s. And in 60 latitudes, that one we called as screaming 60s. So in 40, roaring 40s. In 50, furious 50s. In 60 latitude, that one we called as screaming 60s. Next one is a polar easterlies wind. So polar easterly is also a permanent wind, and also it's a cold wind and dry polar wind that blow from polar high pressure belt to the subpolar low pressure belt. So this wind blow from polar high pressure to the subpolar low pressure belt. So these are weak wind blowing from northeast direction in the northern hemisphere and southeast direction in the southern hemisphere also. So Coriolis effect. What is called Coriolis effect means the rotation of the earth causes deflection of the wind from their original path. So winds or the path deflect ஆகுது. So due to the rotation of the earth causes deflection of wind from their original path called the Coriolis effect. That one we called as a Coriolis effect. The path will be changed. How it will be changed? Its wind are deflected to the right in the northern hemisphere and left in the southern hemisphere, which is known as Farrell's law. So what is called the Coriolis effect? On the rotation of the earth, the deflection of the wind path will be changed. That is called the Coriolis effect. The change is right in the northern hemisphere and left in the southern hemisphere. That one we called as Farrell's law. The next one is the periodic wind. So already I explained to you, the periodic wind is nothing but seasonal wind that change their direction periodically. It's a seasonal wind. So morning and evening it will be changed. Example, sea and land. Sea breeze and land breeze. It's a seasonal wind. Periodic wind. We can explain. Seasonal winds na monsoon. Indian monsoon is a seasonal. Northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon. These are also seasonal winds or periodic winds. So the winds are caused by the differential heating of land and ocean. Heating of land and oceans comes under the periodic winds. Wind which reverse their direction with the change of seasons are called monsoon also. So this kind of changing gives the monsoon. So rainfall also given for this type of periodic winds. So tropical monsoon winds of Indian subcontinent is a best example for the periodic wind.